Hey, I'm going out on a limb here, but I'm guessing that you probably wouldn't run the heat or the air conditioning in your house with your windows wide open. Would that be fair? But listen, if your doors and your windows aren't actually sealed tight, this is basically what you're doing right now. Welcome to House Money. This is your Monday tip to help you save more and spend smarter as a homeowner. Right? So small gaps around the doors and the windows throughout your entire house, they quietly bleed air, right? So hot air in the wintertime, cool air in the summertime. And this means your HVAC or your heating system, what have you, has to work even harder just to keep up with baseline. This means higher energy bills for you. It also means a less comfortable home for you and for your family. The solution is pretty simple: weather stripping, right? So you feel around the edges of the doors and the windows throughout your entire house. If you feel a draft, seal it, right? You can get a weather stripping kit at any hardware store anywhere for like 20 bucks, probably less than that. It takes a few minutes to install it. Boom, that's it. This small DIY job makes a noticeable difference both for you in terms of your comfort, but also in terms of cost. That's house money. We'll see you next week.